Clever tips to improve your affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra money from the comforts of your own home. However, if you want to start, you might have questions and don't know where to begin. This video is full of simple tips and tricks that will not only answer your questions, but guide you to success through affiliate marketing. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, include the biggest benefits of the item in the video headline. This ensures that you will draw in interested readers, and also helps to separate your review from other similar reviews of the same product. The easier it is for readers to see the benefits of the product, the more likely it is that they will buy. When getting started in affiliate advertising, join multiple programs that target the same demographic. By exposing your visitors to a number of sites that are in the same industry, you are giving them a wide choice of links to select. Be wary of affiliate marketers that do not offer real-time customer tracking services. An affiliate that cannot show a webmaster the traffic flowing from his or her site to the affiliate's site is possibly an affiliate looking to cheat the webmaster. Affiliates that rely solely on testimonials on past performance are even worse. How an affiliate used to do business has nothing to do with how they do business now. Pick a high-quality product. If you recommend a product that is of poor quality, it will reflect back on you as a promoter. The last thing you want people to believe is that you purposely recommended a product that doesn't work. If you wouldn't trust it, don't ask your readers to. Affiliate marketing can be very profitable, but only if you put in your valuable time and effort to make your site attractive to your readers. If your reader notices that you are getting lazy and skimping on quality, they will most likely not come back. Only through quality content will you truly meet success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.